In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time blocking in Notion. Time blocking helps you plan your day with intention by assigning specific tasks to fixed time slots so you know exactly what to focus on and when. We'll set this up in Notion in a way that's flexible, easy to update, and great for both daily and weekly planning. Start by creating a new inline database in the page where you want to work. You can begin with either a table or a calendar view, but label it time blocking so it's easy to find later. If you prefer planning in a list first and then placing items on a calendar, start with a table. If you like to visualize your schedule right away, start in a calendar. Next, make sure your database has a date property. Open that property and enable include time so you can set exact start times for each block. Also turn on the end date option. This lets you define how long each block lasts by setting both a start and an end time. Think of this like giving each task a clear container. When you create a new entry, add a title for the task. Choose the date, set the time, and specify the end time to match your intended duration. To visualize your schedule, create a dedicated view that supports time-based planning. Add a week or day view for your calendar so you can see your blocks in context. The day view is perfect for a focused workday, while the week view helps you balance priorities across several days. Switch between them as needed to zoom in or out on your plan. To make your blocks instantly recognizable, add a select property for categories. Create options like deep work, meetings, break, and personal, and color code them. Keep the list short and meaningful so your calendar doesn't become visual noise. Over time, you'll learn how much of each category you can realistically fit into a day. Finally, streamline your focus by filtering for just what matters now. In your chosen view, add a filter so the date is today. This keeps your screen clear of anything that isn't part of the current day, reducing decision fatigue and helping you stay present. When tomorrow arrives, the view automatically updates. That's it, your Notion space is now ready for time blocking. Add tasks as they come up. Assign a start and end time and let your color-coded categories and focused views guide your day. Thanks for watching.